Guys, welcome back to Brighten Up Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Let's start with a story. Imagine a young woman who, despite earning a modest income, manages to save more money than her peers who make twice as much. How, you might ask? Simple habits. She has a strategy, a mindset of intentionally spending, investing, and savings. And here is the truth. You can build the same financial freedom too by adopting a few life-changing habits. So today, let's go into those. Let's start with habit number 1, which is track every dollar. The first habit, well, it might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. Track every dollar. Know exactly where your money goes, and this will give you control. It lets you see patterns, identify waste, and make changes. You can do this with a simple notebook, a budget app, or even a spreadsheet. Remember, it is not just about numbers. It's about you actually being aware of where your money is going. Habit 2, spend intentionally. Once you know where your money is going, the next step is intentionally spending. Imagine you're walking through a grocery store, and rather than buying on impulse, you actually follow a list. You're only picking up what truly aligns with your goals, whether that's buying healthy food or choosing essentials over luxuries. One tip that you can actually use to practice this is the 24-hour tip, which is before making an unplanned purchase, you have to have a small pause, 24 hours, and then if you still want it, put it on your list. This can prevent you from so much financial regret. Okay, we're on to habit number 3, and that is build an emergency fund. This one is a game changer. Having an emergency fund when life happens, like an unexpected car repair or even a job loss, well, those things could shake up your world. So a good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up. Start small if you need to. Aim for 500 and then build from there. Remember, it's not just money in the bank. It's actually peace of mind. And habit number 4 is invest consistently. Here's a secret that many people actually overlook. Investing is not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Even if you start small, consistently investing adds up. You can start with a little every month in a diversified account, and over time, your money will work for you. Investing helps your money grow faster than savings alone. And we're on to habit number 5. The people around you can make or break you, financially as well. If you're surrounded by those who are mindful with money, you're going to pick up on their habits. You do not have to know them personally, by the way. There are books, podcasts, and YouTube channels. Find people who inspire you to grow and learn, to be your best. There you have it, guys. Let's recap. Track every dollar, spend intentionally, build an emergency fund, invest consistently, and surround yourself with financial mentors. These habits can actually change your life. Remember, financial freedom is not just about income, it's about intention. It is the small steps that you take every day that make the biggest difference. And if you're here, you're already taking that step. So thank you guys for taking the time to watch. And remember, the sun always rises. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and inspiration. I'll see you next time. The new video should be popping up about right now. So I'll see you in that video. If you have a topic you want me to cover, drop a comment below.